Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm going to show how to use the camera pro mode on it. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And now let's take a look at this settings bar. To get access to the pro mode we have to go to the right to the more settings. And as you can see here we have the pro mode. And the pro mode gives us possibility to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. So this is useful when we want to improve our photographic skills. So let's take a look at this settings bar here. The first button here is the ISO. So here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light. And as you can see, we can make it more and less sensitive from 100 to 800. And also when we use this manually, we can easily go back to the auto settings by tapping on this button here with the manual. The next one here is the white balance. So as you can see, it generates as a slider, and we can use this to pick the temperature of our photo in Kelvin degrees and make it more warm and more cold as we need. And also to go back to the auto white balance, we just tap on manual here and go back to the auto. And the last button here, this is the exposure compensation. So here we can make our picture more bright or more dark as we need also. And the important thing here also is this button in the right corner here. So here we can change the mattering, as you can see, center weighted mattering, then matrix mattering, and also the spot mattering. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.